Please raise your right hand to take the oath for the new year. We, the students of Winsome International School, pledge to embrace the opportunities and challenges that come our way. We commit to supporting and uplifting each other in our academic and personal journeys. Let kindness be our language. Respect our foundation. And learning our constant companion. In the spirit of unity, growth, and friendship, we look forward to a year filled with curiosity, achievement, and shared accomplishments.